So Anushka, first of all, a warm welcome to Glitz Vision USA.
Thank you.
And tell me, how are you feeling? Web series है, and especially इतने talented actors हैं आपके साथ.
Right.
अच्छी story भी है.
Right.
काफी अच्छे हैं. तो nervous, excited, confident. What is the feeling right now?
My feeling is that I'm very, very excited because this is a project which is going to be special to me forever. Because ये मेरा debut show है. Then secondly, all of these talented people are in it, and पूरा team बहुत अच्छा था. It was like a dream team that everyone was sorted. सब एक ही page पे थे कि हमें focus करके अच्छा काम करना है and मज़े करना है. So that's what happened, and I think जब एक अच्छे environment में आप काम करते हो तो आपका काम और अच्छा होता है. So I'm very excited for people to see this web series, and मेरा debut is I'm very, very, very happy.
Right. Okay. If I'm not wrong, Aditi, Rohan, Kunj, and you people are very brothers and sisters.
Right.
If I'm not wrong.
Right.
कुछ वर्कशॉप हुए थे ताकि वो बॉन्ड ऑन स्क्रीन पे भी निखर के वैसा आए, या हाउ डिड यू बॉन्ड इट? बिकॉज आप चारों का बॉन्ड होना बहुत ज़रूरी था, तो किस तरह से वर्कशॉप कुछ हुए थे?
राइट, देयर वर वर्कशॉप्स. उनके तो 2-2 महीने के वर्कशॉप्स हुए इनफैक्ट. बट आई तो डिडंट नो अबाउट दिस शो, एंड मुझे बहुत लास्ट मोमेंट पे कास्ट किया गया था बिकॉज आई गॉट टू नो अबाउट इट लेटर, एंड दे वर लाइक लुकिंग फॉर आलिया मेहरा कि कौन प्ले करेगा, एंड देन दे फाइनली ऑफर्ड द रोल टू मी, एंड आई वाज लाइक ओके या लेट्स डू दिस. आई वाज रियली ईगर टू नो कि कैसा रहेगा, एंड आई टुक अप दिस रोल, एंड मेरा 1 दिन का वर्कशॉप हुआ था, एंड देन आई वॉज ऑन सेट. बट हमारे शो में जैसे ये है कि वी आर सिबलिंग्स फॉर श्योर, बट बिकॉज ऑफ द एक्सीडेंट हम सब बिखर जाते हैं. सो दे आर इन ईच अदर्स लाइफ, एंड एक अलग अलग बॉन्डिंग तो है, बट दे डोंट नो देयर सिबलिंग्स. एंड जो बॉन्ड हमारा हुआ है ना, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, हम लोग मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा बॉन्ड हो गया हमारा. इनफैक्ट 1 वीक में वी वर ऑल क्लोज. सो जो भी आप देखेंगे, अगर हम पोस्टर्स में हंस रहे हैं, इट्स एक्चुअली वी आर लाफिंग एंड स्माइलिंग एंड एंजॉइंग द एनवायरनमेंट.
So quickly, I just wonder, how was it first working with Aditi? If you can just anything you want to share. Aditi.
Sure, Aditi is a very sweet person, and मतलब मुझे इतना अच्छा लगा अदिति से मिलके. I've never met her before. I met her and then I saw कि how genuine she is, and मेरे को सबसे अच्छी बात अदिति की ये लगती है कि whenever so my mom is with me, and this was I think her first project जिसमें उसकी mom साथ में नहीं थी. Aditi also was accompanied by her mother, but wherever we went, if after backup we went somewhere कि Marine Drive हम चले गए, so she used to call her mother video call पे कि mom, see we are here. So I really like that about her, that how she's like similar relation है, जैसे मेरे mom dad मेरे best friends जैसे हैं. So her relation with her parents is also like that, and she's very sweet, down to earth. We chill, we talk, we have lunch together, we have gone out. ऐसे हम सब लोग वैसे 4-5 जन मिलके हम घूमने भी गए हैं. So we hang out. So it's मतलब not only professional but personally also I really adore the fact about Aditi that she's very real.
Okay, what about Rohan and Kunj?
Rohan is he's playing my twin brother in this show, and हम लोग अभी एक्चुअली ट्विन ब्रोएंसेस हो गए. वी कनेक्ट रियली नाइसली. मज़ा आता है उसके साथ शूट करके. वी हैव हैड सो मेनी सीन्स टुगेदर, एंड एक मतलब ऐसा है कि ही इज़ प्लेइंग माई ड्राइवर, बट देयर इज़ अ बॉन्ड इन दैट. मतलब ऐसा है कि आपको पता चलेगा कि अरे इनमें बॉन्ड, इन्हें पता ही नहीं कि ये सिबलिंग्स हैं. एंड रॉन हैज़ डन अ वेरी गुड जॉब बिकॉज हिज कैरेक्टर इज़ वेरी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम वॉट ही इज़ इन रियल लाइफ. सो इज़ डन अ वेरी गुड जॉब, एंड ही इज़ अ वेरी गुड पर्सन. आई लव्ड वर्किंग विथ हिम एज वेल. एंड कुंज इज़ प्लेइंग आर एल्डर ब्रदर, नो, एंड मेरे साथ कुंज का बॉन्ड ऐसा है कि ही इज़ एक्चुअली माई एल्डर ब्रदर. मतलब मेरे सिबलिंग्स नहीं हैं, बट कुंज इज़ एक्चुअली लाइक he'll give me advice, he'll guide me, he'll motivate me, he'll tell me कि अनुष्का ये सीन बहुत अच्छा किया तुमने, I'm really proud of you. So that makes you feel so good, that makes my heart happy. And also he gave me like ऐसे बात करते करते I was like, wow, you know about good books. He reads a lot of books. So I was like, you know about good books. So next day I see he gives me a list of good books. He's like, you can read these. So that's sweet, like small gestures. I really adore that. Even Rohan, he got me a milkshake as soon as he got to know. उसे अगर पसंद आया कुछ, so he'll get it कि मुझे पसंद है, do you want? So it's something like that. Good bond with these people.
What about Zen?
Zen, so I met Zen at खतरों के खिलाड़ी का final. I was promoting झांसी की रानी that time, and just promo release हुआ था, and I just met him for a brief 2-3 minute it was short meeting, but that meeting was so good because he was appreciating my promo and my acting skills. He was like, I'm really proud of you, Anushka. What you're doing is incredible. At this age, you have done a good job. And that made me feel good that, wow, Zayn is so good because he himself is so talented and he has done so much work. And finally, when I get to work with him, I feel that he's really motivating, really supportive, because my first ever scene was with him. Made me feel really warm and welcome. So I really enjoyed working with all of these people.
Okay, lastly, the most memorable time of the shooting. एक ऐसा कोई scene particular, जो आपने बहुत मजा किया. वो challenging भी था, but then you had a ball shooting that particular scene.
The thing is, there's so many memories, in this shoot. Crash में हमने इतनी memories बनाई है कि I can't select one moment which I can call my favorite, but which is there. So, right now I can think of this moment. So what happened is my last shot was alone. Okay, and I was feeling really emotional at that point of time because I was not meeting them for the last time, but it still feels, that you're shooting for something and then इतने अच्छे environment में आपको पता ही है आपका last day for season 1. But मेरा shot है एक marine drive पे, like those people jog. So I'm jogging and it is a slow-mo shot. It's a very beautiful shot. And after pack up, I remember कि गाड़ी का खिड़की नीचे करके we were going back to vanity area. So I was just looking outside. It was 7 o'clock in the morning. We were shooting the entire night. And वो golden hour moment था, हवा आ रही थी, and I was just thinking of all the moments, all the memories I've made with all these beautiful people. Yeah, they're all beautiful souls, and I'm so glad that they are in this, and the entire team is so good. Hi, this is me, Anushka Sen. You're watching me on Glitz Vision USA. Thank you.